Dear students, good morning. Today we will do question 4th of exercise 3.1. Read the statement of first part. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. If they exist, we have to check. Firstly, a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken the food in the mess. Let the fixed charges Bx charges per day By according to first condition. So when a student takes a food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000. So x plus 20 days means 20 into per day charges is equal to 1000 according to second condition. Fixed charges plus student B who has taken 26 days food and pays rupees 1180. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So bacha, you can use any method, substitution method, cross multiplication, any. So here it is 2, here it is 1. Solve 1 and 2. So x plus 20y is equal to 1000. X plus 26y is equal to 1180. Bacha, see, coefficient is 1, directly subtract kar do. Sign changed. Minus 6y minus 180. Minus 180 by y is equal to 30. Put in 1. You can put in any, in 1 or 2, any. Put in 1. So x is x plus 20y 30 1000, x plus 600 1000, x 1000 minus 600, x equal to 400. So fixed charges B rupees 400 and charges per day be 30 rupees. Now check it. Now second, a fraction becomes 1 by 3. So bacha, you can take it as let the numerator be x, denominator be so fraction is, even you can directly take the fraction. So fraction is x by y. So what they are saying, a fraction become, according to first condition, according to first condition, what they are saying, if a fraction becomes 1 by 3, a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So from where we have to subtract 1? Numerator. So x minus 1 by y means there is no change in the denominator. So do the cross multiplication. 3x minus 1 y, 3x minus 3 equals to y, 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0, give it 1. According to second condition, according to second condition, what they are saying, the fraction becomes 1 by 4. This fraction becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. सिर्फ 8 इसके डिनोमिनेटर में ऐड हो रहा है. Do the cross multiplication. 4x y plus 8. So 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. बेटा लिख 3x माइनस वाई माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0, 4x माइनस वाई माइनस 8 इक्वल टू 0। बचा इसका सेम है कोफिशिएंट, सिर्फ साइन चेंज है, तो यहाँ से आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज द साइन, प्लस माइनस प्लस मीन्स आई एम गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट this 2 from 1. Either you can write it solve 1 and 2 or subtract 2 from 1. So here 3 minus 4 minus x cancelled, minus 3 plus 5 it is 5 0, minus x minus 5 that implies x equals to 5. So put, but I am going to raise this one for first part. I hope you noted it. Put x equals to 5 in 1. 3 into 5 minus y minus 3 equal to 0. 15 minus 3 minus y equal to 0. It is 12 minus y equal to 0. But now we will shift this to another side, y equals to 12. So the fraction is x is 5, y is 12. It is 5 by 12. Note it. हाँ जी बच्चा, आई एम गोइंग टू रेज द कंप्लीट ब्लैक बोर्ड। हाँ जी बेटा, नेक्स्ट थर्ड पार्ट। यश scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each answer, right answer, and losing 1 mark. Beta, firstly we will suppose let the number of, what do we have to find is what would 50, how many questions were there in the test. Okay, let number of correct questions x, number of incorrect questions. Bacha, even you can write it as number of right questions or part A or wrong questions. Either you can use right or wrong, or you can use wrong, correct and incorrect questions. Why? So according to first condition, what they are saying, first condition that for Yash scored 40 marks, उसके 40 marks आए हैं in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer, 3 नंबर है हर एक right question के. So number of correct question तो 3x and losing, बचा lose मतलब minus करना 1 marks for this one. So this is our first. According to second condition, second condition क्या बनेगी मेरी, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct 4x and 2 marks being deducted for the each incorrect answer, and the marks would be 50. So now just you can solve it with any way. मैं substitution से solve कर रही हूँ. From 1, 3x minus y is equal to 40. 3x minus y minus 40 equal to 0. बचा y का coefficient क्या है 1, तो मैं इसको उधर shift कर रही हूँ. 3x minus 40 equals to y. Put 3 in 2. So here it's put 4x minus 2 into 3x minus 40 equals to 50. 4x minus 6x plus 4 to 80, 50 minus 2x, 50 minus 80 minus 2x minus 30x, minus 30 by minus 2, it is 15, x equals to 30. Put x equal to 30 in 3. 3 into 30 minus 40y, 90 minus 40y, it is 50 equals to y. Check it. Now this set हाँ जी बेटा जी. Now we have to find how many questions were there in the test. कितने क्वेश्चन होंगे टेस्ट में. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks. बच्चा फर्स्टली इसको नोट करो, फिर हम निकालते हैं. That Yash would score 50 marks. How many questions were in there in the test? 1 मिनट दे रही हूँ नोट करने के लिए. नोट इट. Be fast बच्चा. After then I will raise the complete backboard. We have now just our part is left is that how much questions are in total. हाँ जी बेटा जी. सॉरी हियर बच्चा वी हैव टू पुट इन दिस वन. इस इक्वेशन में हमने पुट करना है. sorry here we have to put, we have found the value of put 3 in 2, so y 4x 2, 3x minus 40 equals to 50, 4x minus 6x plus 80 equal to 50, it is minus 2 x, sorry here I have taken incorrectly. So x equals to 15, put x equal to 15 in 1 here, so 3 into 15 minus y 45, 45 minus y 40, minus y 40 minus 45 minus 40 minus 5, so y is equal to 5. So total number of questions be x plus y, correct and incorrect. 15 plus 5 20, so 20 questions. Now note it. I hope it is just here I have written by mistake 30, correct it, otherwise the other one is correct. So fifth part or fourth part, which part we are going to do? Fourth part. Places A and B are 100 km apart. Fourth part. Places A and B are 100 km apart on an highway. Here it is place A. Here it is place B. Apart on a highway. One car starts from A. एक कार यहाँ से start हुई. And another starts from B. दूसरी कार यहाँ से start हुई. And at the same time, if the cars travel in the same direction, means ये A इस तरफ को जा रहा है और B भी इस तरफ को जा रहा है. If in the same and at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. 5 घंटे के बाद वो मिलेंगे. Suppose they meet at C point. Let speed of car AB x km/h. Speed of कार BB y किलोमीटर पर आवर। ठीक है, डिस्टेंस इन दोनों के बीच में कितना है? 100 मीटर। 100 मीटर या किलोमीटर? 100 किलोमीटर। क्लियर? नाउ दे आर सेइंग हाँ जी बेटा जी। नाउ दे आर सेइंग द स्पीड ऑफ ए कार AB x किलोमीटर एंड स्पीड ऑफ कार BB y किलोमीटर. We know this thing very well that distance is equal to speed into time. टाइम दोनों के लिए कितना लगा? एंड आफ्टर दे व्हाट दे सेड दैट दे मीट इन 5 hours, मतलब 5 घंटे दोनों को लगे. लेट सपोज both meet at point C. ठीक है, अब A का क्या आ गया? डिस्टेंस कितना है? 100 किलोमीटर यहाँ. सो A का क्या आ गया? स्पीड x इंटू टाइम, इट इज 5x. इसका भी, B का भी डिस्टेंस, इन दोनों के डिस्टेंस बेटा 100 है. हमें बोला है C तक ट्रैवल किया. सो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड बाय A is 5x. Distance traveled by B is 5y. सीधा. Now AC minus BC is equal to AB. AC minus BC equals to AB. AC 5x, यही है इसका डिस्टेंस. अगर आपको दिक्कत आ रही है तो डिस्टेंस AC equals to 5x is equal to BC. ये इसका डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड है, ये इसका डिस्टेंस A का और वो B का. सो 5x माइनस 5y इक्वल्स टू 100. 5 कॉमन निकल गया. x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 100. x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 100 बाई 5, इट इज 20. सो x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 20. दिस इज अवर केस 1. मैं लिख रही हूँ यहाँ पे केस 1. व्हेन कार्स आर मूविंग इन सेम डायरेक्शन, दोनों एक ही तरफ जा रही है. नाउ केस 2. I am going to raise this one. Case 2. Case 2. Again 100 पे है A और B. Case 2 पढ़ो क्या है. Now they said that if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. अगर वो दोनों एक तरफ मूव करती हैं, दिस इज अवर कार, ये एक तरफ मूव कर रही है, मतलब इसी तरफ, टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर, दोनों दूसरी तरफ मीट कर rही हैं. दिस इज 100 किलोमीटर. सो दे मीट इन 1 hour. सपोज दे मीट एट दिस. सो लेट सपोज दे मीट एट P. अगेन सो डिस्टेंस AP 1 इंटू एक्स, क्योंकि 1 घंटे बाद मिल रही है. BP 1 इंटू वाई, यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो आप. अगर वैसे यहाँ पे हमने डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू स्पीड इंटू टाइम मेंशन कर दिया, देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट दैट अगेन. सो हियर इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकंड कंडीशन. सो AP प्लस PB इज इक्वल टू AB. सो x प्लस y इक्वल्स टू 100. सॉल्व 1 and 2. x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 20. x प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 100. ये दोनों ऐड कर दो. 2x 120. x 120 बाई 2 60. सो x इक्वल टू 60. पुट इन 1. सो x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 20. 60 माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 20 माइनस वाई 20 minus 60 minus y minus 40, y equal to 40. So speed of car AB 60 km per hour. Speed of car BB 40 km per hour. I hope you understand. Check it for 1 minute. After that we will do the last question and last part of our last question. Clear? Now, but I am going to raise the complete blackboard. Last part. This is the most important question, bacha, that we are going to do right now. Conceptual question and important also. Read the statement. Fifth part, question 4. This is the last part and last question of our exercise. They are saying the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. Firstly, area क्या होता है? Length into breadth. Length of rectangle be x. Breadth of rectangle be y. Area of rectangle, length formula, length into breadth. So this is our first formula. So means x into y is equal to area of rectangle. Clear? Now they are saying the area of a rectangle get reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. बच्चा उसने क्या बोला है कि इसका एरिया जो है, its area is reduced by area is, this is our area x into y. So according to first condition, the area of a rectangle means x into y is reduced by 9 if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 5 units. Now solve it. X y plus 3 minus 5 y plus 3. But I am going opening this bracket with the, you know how to product of binomial into binomial. Firstly this term into the complete bracket, then second term. Xy first, 3x minus 5y minus 15, xy minus 9. Here it is cancelled, minus 9, 3x minus 5y minus 15. So 3x minus 5y minus 15 plus 9 equal to 0. 3x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. It is first. Now according to second condition, क्या बोल रहा है वो? If we increase its length increased and breadth, length is increased by 3 and the breadth by 2, means both are increased, then the area is increased by 67 units. So again find the product. Plus 3 y plus 2 xy plus 67. Here xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to xy plus 67. 2x plus 3y plus 6 minus 67 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 61 equal to 0. Now solve 1 and 2. So 3x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. It is 2x plus 3y minus 61 equal to 0. But you can either solve it by any method, by cross multiplication or with any method. So now I am going to solve it with the substitution method. Clear? Or okay, clear elimination. So see here the sign is already different. So just multiply it by 3 and this by 5. So it is 9x minus 15y minus 18 equal to 0. So this one ब्रैकेट्स कर दो अंदर ताकि आपको कंफ्यूजन ना हो। -18 इक्वल टू 0, 10x प्लस 15y माइनस 530 इक्वल टू 0. Add it. 19x minus equal to 0. But I am going to erase this one. So 19x equal to 323 x 323 by 9. बचा ये 7 के लेवल पे 19 7 था शायद 7, इसको डायरेक्टली डिवाइड करते हैं। 3 2 3 19 1 19 it is 12 आया 3 2 1 133 तो ये 7 70. I am going to raise it. X equal to 17. Put x equal to 17 in 1. यहाँ पे पुट कर दो 3 into 17 minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. (51 minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. 51 minus 6 equals to 5y. 45 is equal to y. 45 by 5 equals to y. Y is equal to 9. So length is equal to 17 units. Breadth is equal to 9 units. I think they tell us to find the dimensions only. Check it. Yes, they said find the dimensions only. By this bacha, now we are done with our 3.5 also. If there is any problem, ask me. Thank you so much.